Hey everyone. So, yeah, out for a walk with dear Sharon. It's like 6:30, 7:15 in the evening, and it is still like this. Absolutely beautiful. Really nice. It's really warm still. It's a bit cold, chilly. Fucking hell. I mean, shouldn't use them. It's a bit chilly, bit nippy in the wind. Come Gia this way. Gia is about to get really excited. For some reason, she gets super excited in this long grass. Come on. See? See? She loves it. Look at her. This way. This way. Come on, girl. This way. Look, Sharon and me have kind of made a path. This way, dog. Come on, beautiful. Look, we kind of made a path and it's over here. Come on, you. She loves it. She absolutely loves this bit. She's not like this anywhere else on the walk. But this bit, she loves. Good girl. I don't know why. I don't know what it is. But look, she's all like, happy. Ooh, prancy. In a field of buttercups, hey Gia? Are you happy in a field of buttercups? Good girl, puppy. Ah! Get stinged. Good girl. Ah. Sharon's obviously getting stinged. What?
I've just been stung.
Me too.
By those
Yeah.
and several bees.
You didn't get stung by any bees.
I did.
No, you did not, you fibber. You did not get stung.
I got stung by a bloody bee.
You did not get stung by a bee. You'd be making more of a fuss than this if you'd just been stung by a bee, Sharon, believe me. I just got stung too. Here, baby?
I got stung by an imaginary bee.
Yeah, exactly. Please hold.
What, you want me to hold this?
Yeah, please go on through there, dear.
Testing.
Right. Come on, G-Dog. Hold on. Carter.
So what do I do now?
Come on.
Oh wait, yes, I know what to do.
Yes, pass it to me now. Good.
One step.
Come on, yo.